Very good morning to my dear students, and I hope you people are fit and fine and doing well. So, as we have already started the video and the audio sessions with you, so I thought of starting from the first, that is the first chapter in your book, Articles, which I have already provided with some sort of questions and exercises. Though I have thought of starting from here so that you get a clear idea about every topic that we deal with. So let's get started. First and foremost, when the chapter articles comes, it's very important to know that when are we using the articles, right? So firstly, the articles the sentences in the articles, they are differentiated into two, where we call it an indefinite article and definite articles. Different sentences with indefinite articles and the definite articles. Okay. So see, what is indefinite article? Indefinite article is used before a singular noun with a consonant sound. So any sentences which has a consonant sound, we are using, and you have to make sure that it is a singular noun. We always use an article front of the noun, right? So similarly, there are I will tell you that the articles a and an falls in this category. That is the category of indefinite article. Okay. Now, when are we using this a or an? This is very important. Yeah, we get confused when to use a or when to use an. Let's see how this process is being done. First, we talk about an, because this is much easier. So, an we are basically using before a singular noun with a vowel sound. So, when we see a sentence having a vowel, the starting of the alphabet itself is a vowel, and it also creates a vowel sound. That there we are using an. Okay, so an indefinite article is used, always remember, on countable nouns, countable which can be counted, like examples like water, ink. We can never count this, right? But we'll come to this later. And the examples for these countable nouns, the usage of an is not here. You can check out in your book. An example is an apple, where we see a word an is being used because the word apple, it starts with a vowel as well as it has a vowel sound. And apple means it's in a singular form. That's why we are placing a and an. Okay, is it clear? Now, let us talk about the usage of this uncountable noun. Also, sometimes we use indefinite article. So how? When we write a packet of sugar, see, when it is only sugar, that time we cannot use article here, because I said especially indefinite article, because this is uncountable. Sugar cannot be counted. Hair and water, I gave ink. No, this is uncountable. But when we write a bottle of ink, what happens? This bottle can be counted. Yes? So then we are using a bottle, because here B is a consonant having a consonant sound. That's why we are writing A. Similarly, a packet of sugar, here through the packet we count sugar. That's why it is a packet of sugar. Now moving ahead. Similarly, I think you are quite clear with when to use the word an as an article. Now similarly we have the use of a also. So when a is used with when the sentence with the word in a sentence will be with a consonant sound. See, a and an was with a vowel sound, and here a is with a consonant sound. Okay. Now, but remember, these are all count singular. This should always be in singular form. Okay. Then sometimes we get sentences where we have to use both indefinite articles, that is a and an. We have to see, this is very important that you check out the sound which it creates. Example, see a boy. Here a boy is singular, as well as it produce what? Consonant sound. Yeah. And similar in the same sentence, sometimes we get like this. So a boy dash apple. Here apple is in singular form as well, and it has a vowel sound. That's why we write an apple. There are many other examples you can go through in your book. I'll be providing some examples as well. Now let us see. Okay, and sometimes we see a word, this is quite many of the students tend to make mistake on this, that is the word are as well as the word honest, because of the pronunciation. Here pronunciation is a very important thing. Why? Because the word HOUR, are, no? So this word are starts with a consonant, but it has a vowel sound, no? That's why we are writing an. So I say you, it's very important that you see the sound which the word creates. Not only the alphabet you have to check the sound what it produces also. Similar we have honest, HONEST, honest. Okay. Now I think indefinite article is quite clear to you all. Now let us proceed towards definite article. Now what is definite article? Definite articles are used before the superlatives. Now what is superlatives? Superlatives means the end of the sentence. Like when we are ending up a sentence, which there is no other continuation. So that time we are basically using the superlatives. And when the noun is specific, it is not general. That means it is not to be used with any sentences. When you are particularly stressing upon something which is very particular, which is very specific, that time we are using this definite article. Now what is definite article in the here? What falls? The word the falls in this category. Okay. And it can be also used with singular, plural or uncountable nouns, definite article. But indefinite article is always used with the singular form. Okay. Now when we are using the when the article is already being mentioned previously, which is already coming. Okay. Example, see, I ate an apple yesterday. So you have already eaten the apple, an apple, singular. That's why a and an. But here you are continuing with the same apple. You are continuing with the same object or the thing. So what? That's why we are using the apple, because here apple is specific. It is particular. We are not talking about any other apples. We are talking about the same apple that you have already eaten yesterday. Understood? That's why we are using the. And there are other examples too. And examples are like the Taj Mahal. Yes or no? Why? Because it is a proper noun. So wherever you find a proper noun, we are placing the. Example is, if I write dash mountain, what will you put? You cannot directly, when it is the starting of the sentence, you cannot put the mountain. Okay, you can put the mountain until it is specific, until you are talking about that particular mountain, but there are many mountains, right? So what? But if I write dash Everest, Mount Everest, what will you write? The Mount Everest. Why? Because Mount Everest is proper noun. It's only one. There are no other Mount Everest in the world. No. Similarly, when I write dash Himalayas, it is also the Himalayas, because the Himalayas is also one. Similarly, those things which are only one, the moon, the sun, no, the sky, that's why we are writing the. Okay, because it is specific, it is proper noun. But examples, see, one examples are trees are beautiful in the fall. I have not placed there. You cannot place an article in front of the trees. Why? Because it's plural form. It's in plural form and it's talking about every tree. Understood? So all trees are beautiful. That's why we are not writing here. It is not even specific. Yes or no? Because it talks about every all trees. So I said proper noun always comes with one. Though it is a definite article, but it always comes with one. Okay? But with singular count, example I said an ocean, because here O is creating a vowel sound. That's why it's an indefinite article and that's why we are using it. An ocean. Okay. But with dash Pacific Ocean or dash Indian Ocean, dash Atlantic Ocean, there we are using the, because it is specific. So this is all about articles. Where are we using a and the. There's some important points you also have in your book. You can just go through it. I will be providing with you with some very important exercises as well. Okay. Meanwhile, and with another, very soon I'll be uploading another chapter, that is the determiners. We'll be dealing up with that chapter too. Till then, I request each one of you to go through this video and clarify all doubts if you have any, as well as to ask me. Okay, and then also to do some of the exercises that I'll be sending you again. Okay, till then, keep studying and take care. Thank you.